Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome guys. My name is Dal, and if you're not, welcome back guys. What's up? So yeah guys, I haven't been posting lately because I had a lot of tests coming up, and right after the test I got sick because there was this flu going around the school, and I caught it. I got sick for 2 weeks guys. 2 weeks. I wasn't going to school, so I couldn't post or make any shorts. But now I'm back for good, guys. But if I get sick, I can promise, guys. But yeah, so today is currently Saturday. Me and my sister are about to go for a drive. We're going to take the white car for a wash first because someone rented it for I think a month or so. And now the car is dirty. So we're going to take it for a wash. Here's the fit. Oh yeah, and me and my sister might go and drive around a little to just to do more fun things, guys, because it's the weekend. Can't stay in the house. But yeah, but here's the fit. Got this white cup top with the star and the chain. And I got my white short pants. Let me stand up, guys. But yeah, this is the fit. I don't have nothing on my feet right now because I'm gonna wear my Crocs. So I can't really show my dogs right now. But yeah, so we're gonna head out now. My sister and my mom are waiting outside for us to go. So I'm gonna see her. We're in the car. Make sure you comment, and subscribe. But yeah, guys, you didn't see my hair. I didn't really share my hair, but here is it. I got it then I think last week or no, this week's Sunday. Yeah, then this week. But yeah. Here is it. Well, I think it was last week. I'm not sure, guys. But yeah. I didn't get to vlog as well, guys, because sick. But yeah, so they're waiting for me. So we're going to go. And I'm going to see y'all in the car or we're on our way down. So right now, we're going in the car. We got my sister is in front. We're gonna go wash the car right now. So see y'all on the road. Okay, we're in the car. Let me put my seatbelt on, guys. Always drive with your seatbelt.
People in Jamaica, especially in West.
But yeah, guys, I'm about to go on the road. Oh, my edges. I tried to do my edges today, guys. It looks good, but I didn't put too much effort into it today because I'm just going to drive around. But yeah, guys, this few days, all I've been doing mostly was looking for a dress for my graduation because, guys, I'm graduating 2026. So, shout out to all the class of 2026, guys. But yeah. I actually don't know. I pick a dress. It's like blue with diamonds on it. It was very hard for me to choose a dress because I wanted something that is flashy and go all out. That is not simple at all. Because I don't want to go simple, guys. You graduate one time. I mean, you graduate multiple times, but from high school, you're gonna graduate once. So it's I want to do something special and not simple at all. I want to go simple. So yeah, guys, as we're graduating, guys, class 2026, make sure you enter in a good career, not just something that you won't last into it. Get something that you'll be able to stay there and you won't have no competition. I guess get something that that will impact our generation, that will make us to grow. Oh guys, look at that hair. I just need to show you that hair. But yeah, guys, class of 2026. I can't wait, guys. I just remember I was just entering, and I was like, oh my gosh, when would I ever graduate? I never thought it would be this soon, but I just can't wait. I don't mind it coming this soon because like it's just too much work, guys. I have a lot of work to do, a lot of SBA, and a lot of things to study. So it's like I'm just happy to get it over with. But when I graduate, I'm gonna go to college, so I'm gonna have more things. But y'all get what I mean. It won't be that like stress at school. But yeah, when I graduate, I'm gonna go to college and study law. Cause I wanna do law. I wanna be like a criminal law, civil law, and a constitutional law. I wanna be all three for like, you know, just to have backups and like if anyone could come, you could come to me with anything, and I would just be here, guys. So I will have a lot of studying to do. So guys, focus on your school, focus on your schoolwork. Even people that haven't graduated or are graduating soon, just focus on your work so you can like graduate and make it. Oh yeah, right now my sister is driving. We're on the road. We're just leaving right now. So we're gonna go wash the car. So see y'all at the car place. Okay guys, we just dropped the car off to get washed, as y'all will see in the clip before. Now we're gonna walk to Starbucks to walk around in the mall, and I think we're gonna get what I think called again?
Bombastic side eye.
A cake pop, because I want a cake pop from Starbucks. Or we're gonna get like a little drink, and we're gonna walk around in Massey to look for anything that we could get, basically. But yeah.
A few moments later.
Okay, y'all, we're here at the mall. Right now, I think we're gonna enter Starbucks or Massey's to see. The lightning just went so bad right now. But yeah. Right now, we're walking. We're gonna go in Starbucks to see what we can get. Because I want a cake pop, or we're gonna get a drink, like a Christmas drink or so. I ain't sure yet, but we're here at Starbucks.
You on my mind a lot. Don't need no time watch. I don't know how I got you in my pocket spot. Yeah, that's babe, need you every day. You like my oxygen, make it seem like the barging them. Got my heart no barging in. From the bed to the floor to the couch. Might wake the neighbors up. Break you.
Okay, y'all, we just left from Starbucks, and I got myself a cake pop, and now we're gonna walk around and go back to the car and go to the park to just sit and wait, because right now this place is empty. We just went, Starbucks was kind of packed because it had people in there doing some work and things. My sister knows, guys. It's so pretty. Oh yeah, I want to get my nails done as well, but I can't because I still have school to attend. Yeah, she got her hair retwisted. So yeah, guys, now we're gonna go and walk to the park. Okay, y'all, right now we're at the park, and we're just hanging here till the car is done at this point, because there's really nothing to do, and we're gonna go drive around, then head home.
No, this shit ain't funny. It ain't funny, but it is.
I'm done. Cut the show. I'm done.
Okay, y'all. Right now we're walking back to go get to see where the car is at this point of time. It was fun. I tried to go on the monkey bars, but it was hard to reach. So we're on the swing and then we're on the seesaw. And now we're gonna go and check on the car to see how far it is. Okay, y'all, the car just got done. Right now, me and my sister are gonna go to the boardwalk and walk around a little and take some pictures, some videos, and just walk around and chill. Then we're gonna head home to our mom. So yeah, guys, it was so fun. We went to Starbucks. I got
Ow! Jump scare.
anyways, okay, we went to Starbucks. I got a cake pop, and then we went at the park and we sat, and I tried to do a push-up, but I couldn't get it done, which was surprising because I thought it was strong. So yeah, but now we're gonna go to the boardwalk and walk around. Okay, y'all, so we just arrived and there was traffic on the road, and I don't really know the road that well to get here, so we took kind of the long way. But yeah, right now we parked in here so that no water could like touch the car or anything, and now we're just about to go walk on the beach to the boardwalk. Okay, y'all, so my sister wanna use the restroom, so right now we came in this place. I have a restroom for everything. Then we're gonna go on the boardwalk to go for the walk because the weather is looking pretty good. Alright, they have like a mirror right here. Look at myself in. So yeah. So waiting for her. Okay guys, right now we're at Italian and we're getting some iced latte. And right now we're waiting in the line, and then we're gonna go on the walk at the boardwalk right across the street. And we're gonna go there and just chill. But right now we're waiting for our order to come.
Iced latte. Guys, she said iced latte.
Oh yeah, so right now we're still waiting for the order, and we got 2 iced latte because I got a cake pop at Starbucks, but my sister didn't get anything, so now she's getting herself an iced latte so we can go and walk on our boardwalk and not be starving and get something to eat. Yeah, that's why I said you got us.
Oh.
Yeah, so we can be walking and not be starving. Yeah, the place is empty. We're just here waiting. Nah, guys, like I actually can't wait for next year to graduate. Class of 2026. Nah, guys, just can't wait. Shout out to all of y'all. We're popping. I'm so excited, y'all. My graduation dress, I can't wait for it to be done and everything. So I'm gonna see y'all when we get our coffee. Okay, y'all, we got our drink. Time for the taste test. This tastes good, but surprisingly Surprisingly, it does taste good because I don't really like to drink a lot of coffee like that. When I'm making my iced coffee at home, I usually add like a little bit of coffee, which is strange because it's iced coffee. But yeah, that's just how I like my coffee to be. So right now we're walking. Okay, y'all, right now we're here in Chifet grabbing a little bit fresh air because we got our shake. And now we're getting a chicken nugget. We're gonna order some chicken nugget to eat and to grab some AC. Then we're gonna go on a walk. I know last time I said I was gonna go on the walk, but I'm starting to get hungry. So we got a little bit of Chifet, and now we're gonna go on a walk after we're done eating and get our fresh air. Guys, in here is not that packed, but you have kids like running around, so it kind of will be noisy a little bit. Guys, wouldn't this be weird? Like I'm in another food place drinking from another food thing and not. But anyways, we're getting something, so I mean it won't be that bad. It's not like we're not buying anything. But yeah, guys, if you know me or if any of my supporters see me and you want to say hi, you could come and say hi. I'm a very, very friendly person, and I would love to see y'all or like talk to y'all, interact with y'all anytime. So give like some suggestions on any video you want to see, or like on your dress, or what you're gonna do after graduation and things like that, because I would actually love to talk to y'all in person and say hi if I ever get to see y'all. I'm a very open person for you to talk to. Y'all could come to me anytime you see me, you come. It will be very fun to meet y'all in person. Okay, y'all, right now I'm walking on the beach to go to the Boardwalk, because we'll have to walk there before we get on the Boardwalk to start walking to the end, and then we're gonna head home. But look at the water, guys. It's so clear, like actually. But right now, if I go in it, it's gonna be cold. Please. Ooh. Good.
Put it down.
This sand is not pink, but the other beaches we go to, the sand usually be like very, very pink. I don't know if y'all could hear me because like the wave and everything, but yeah. The beach is kind of packed today. Like people are here just chilling.
In all these formats, back to future in the DeLorean. You ain't used to feeling this important. Cars reported, girls reported, insubordinate. Baby, check my angles on it. Got a whole lot in store for you. the morning. Get on top my cojones. I pleasure you for the moment. This don't come with no warranty. You want it but can't afford it. My world is different than yours. Your opinion of me is glory, glorifying in all these foreigns. Back to future in the DeLorean. You ain't used to feeling this important. Cars imported, girls imported, insubordinate, get deported. Baby, check my inventory. Got a whole lot in store for you. Birkin bags, purple tags. I can put a whole.
Okay, guys. Sorry I couldn't record. My phone storage is done. I have no more space to actually record. So right now I'm on my sister's phone. So right now we're in traffic and we're headed home. It's kind of drizzling, so we're trying to get home quick, everything. So right now we're in traffic and we're trying to head home, and it's 5:24, so we're gonna make it in time. Yeah, the boardwalk was so fun. I did some cartwheels, I ran around in the sand, and I dipped my foot in water. I got a lot of sand on my feet by putting it on my sister's jacket, so it don't get on the car. But yeah, we got Italian. I finished a drink. It tasted good. That was my first time actually drinking that, but it tastes actually really good. And I got cake pop, so that's the only thing I really ate today. And then we got nuggets and chips, yeah, and everything. And then my phone storage died, so I couldn't really do anything, to be honest. But yeah, right now we're going. Yeah. Hey y'all, today is currently Saturday and I'm out by the beach. Look! And my sister are here. We're taking the dogs out for a walk and then we're gonna swim with them. Because, guys, look.
They can smell some other dog. Don't let them just call her back. Just call her. Let her know that you're dominant. Good. Let her know you're dominant. Good. Let her know. They can smell the dog. Just let her know you're dominant. Let it pass, Stella. Let it pass. Listen. Just let her know you're dominant. Oh.
That won't scare her?
No. They can smell other dogs that were here to hear from this. They can smell other dogs. Not like that.
Okay guys, right now we're here. Mila is here sitting down with Max. And my sister got Max and I got Mila. And we're thinking about switching locations and going to play basketball and then walk the dog, because here is kind of packed. It have a lot of people and the water don't look too good because it's getting cold for us to swim with the dogs. So we're gonna take them to the gymnasium for us to walk them and play some basketball. But we'll have to go home first and get the basketball for us to play. Oh, look. Guys, look. Mila. Guys, please look at Max. Okay, so guys, we're gonna go now and I'm gonna see our next location. Come, Max. Come on. Guys, Max was pulling me, so I couldn't really control him because he have a lot of strength. So right now we're walking them to the car, and me and my sister are gonna go home and change. Then we're gonna go to the gymnasium and play some basketball and walk them as well at the gymnasium. So right now we're just walking them to the car. Guys, look at the view. Oh, they're going away now, guys. Let's say bye. Bye, Mila.
How's it work out?
Okay, we're heading home right now, and we're gonna go and change and freshen up. Then we're gonna head to the gymnasium and walk the dogs and play some basketball. So we're gonna grab the basketball as well because we need to go and change. And the weather isn't looking too good to be hanging around the beach right now. So we're just gonna go and chill and walk around, and I'm gonna pick up the camera when we're there. Y'all, we're here at the gymnasium and I changed. I got this white top. It's like a shirt. I hold it back to make it into a crop top and the simple jeans. And I got the basketball. So I just dressed very simple because just gonna play basketball and we're gonna head home. But now the weather is so bad. Like, look, it's raining. And we're like waiting in the car thinking that it's gonna go down. So guys, we have hope that the rain is gonna go down so we can play basketball. Because we actually wanna play. I don't wanna go home right now. So right now we're just here waiting, and they're having a function in front for like some sport or so. So we're just here waiting, and there's the court right there, but people cars parked there and everything, so we can't really go on it now. So we're gonna find they got another court at the back, and that's where we're gonna go. And we got the rooftop open. That's where you got the sunlight and everything, so you can see the rain more clearly. Guys, it looked like this ASMR video, and my sister is laying down and helping me record. Guys, I hope the rain ceases, but it don't look like it have any plans to, because the sky isn't clearing up at all. Oh yeah. Guys, today is Sunday, November 23rd, and I haven't picked up this camera in like I think a week now or so, but I'm not really sure because I had school to go to and we wasn't doing anything really fun. But yeah, I was planning to pick it up today because that's why I'm on it today. Me and my sister are going to this boat party, guys. This is our first time. No, this is my first time. No. This is our first time. I had to think real quick, guys. But yeah, this is our first time going on a boat party, and it start around 11, and right now it's 9. So me and my sister are planning to get ready around the boats leave around 11, and people say that the boat usually leave people like almost all the time, and they don't usually, and you don't get your money back. They just leave you. Because some people get there late, and so me and my sister are trying to get ready around 9:30 and leave the house around 10:15 or so, because it's a kind of little distance, and we're not really sure about traffic at the end of the day, because sometimes traffic is just we don't really know any shortcuts there, so we're not trying to get there too late before we get left behind, because that's not what we're planning to do, because we want to go. So yeah, here's the fit. I'm planning to wear this top. It has this cute flare thing at the bottom. I don't know. And this is the bottom. It's a 2-piece. This is the bottom. It has the same thing as well. And for cover up, because they show the inspo for how you're supposed to dress, and it's basically people wearing swimsuit with cover ups and things like that. So I'm planning to wear my white cover up, the shorts, and I bought this bracelet yesterday. It's so cute. Oh guys, it actually goes with my shirt, but yeah, I bought this bracelet yesterday. It's so cute. So I'm planning to wear it because, like, why not? And it goes together. So, and my watch, with this bracelet and my chain. We just bought this because like my other one was like I kind of lost it, so I was using my mom's chain, but now she got me the new one and my bracelet. So that's gonna be the fit, and I will see y'all when I see y'all, I will see y'all when we're starting to get ready, or when I'm fully dressed, and I will just show y'all everything, because I still have to do my lip combo and everything. So y'all gonna see the full fit. Toodles!
I'm coming up, so you better get this party started.
Guys, right now we're waiting in line because we have to, everyone is here waiting in line to get their ticket. This is our ticket right here. So we have to wait before we enter because the line isn't that long because we're here kind of early. So we're trying to know our boat because like there's 2 boats here. So we're trying to know which one is for us. That's the line, guys. Guys, look at the glasses. Y'all like the glasses? We just got done with the check-in. They're checking our bag right now, and we got the boarding pass and the ticket right here. So I'm waiting for her to get done so we can go. The music is playing so loud, so I don't know if y'all could hear me, but I just got my pictures taken and they said they're gonna post it on the actual page, and people are still boarding, so the boat isn't packed yet.
If it was time to put in work, would you be down to ride? I get out and kill a nigga, cat, chill and drive. I'm asking questions to find out how you feel inside. If I ain't rap, cause I flip burgers and
Doing things I never do. If you ain't been, I'm telling you, you do.
Anybody from Brooklyn?
Get just a rock and a spray. And if me say that we get it, yeah, I'm trying to get the flame.
What?
walking. I'm like, what's poppin'? What's poppin'? Is a Batman calling you?
Hi guys, just made it home right now. I had a shower, so my edges are like ruined. But yeah, so guys, last video I didn't do any give you any motivation stuff because like I completely forgot. But today I got your guys. I'm here and I'm here for good. So yeah, so the motivation for today, guys, is to never stay too long anywhere that you're not appreciated. Don't stay in any room, any space, any environment that you're not appreciated or people do not appreciate you. Even Jesus said to his disciples that if you get to a door, you knock. If they open up, go in. If they don't, knock the dust off your feet and leave. Don't try to break down the door. Don't try to push the door open. Don't try to keep knocking for someone to let you in, and don't try to prove a point. Because at the end of the day, guys, the only point you're supposed to prove, the only person you're supposed to prove a point to is you, yourself, God, and your parents. And the reason why I said your parents is because you have to prove your point to your parents so they can know the child they're raising is good. So they can know how you're going to turn out. Because at the end of the day, they are your parents. They do things for you. They support you and they do everything for you. So at the end of the day, you have to prove a point to them that you're always going to be there. Because then what's the point? What's the point, guys? What's the point? So yeah. Never stay anywhere you're not appreciated. Don't stay in any friend group. Don't try to prove a point to anyone. Don't try to fit in anywhere nobody appreciate you. Because at the end of the day, if you stay somewhere that you're not appreciated, it's going to be a waste of time. Because if you stay somewhere you're not appreciated, you won't grow. No one will respect you. Right now, if you're in a group and like nobody respect you, you're going to look down on yourself. You're going to think that, oh, I'm not pretty, or I'm not worth it, or I'm not this, or I'm not that. You're going to start to look down on yourself and push yourself below your standards. And that's not where you belong. So make sure that anywhere if you sense any signs, you sense any look, anything you sense that you know you're not appreciated, pack your things and leave. Take your shoes and leave. If you like, you can even run. Don't stay anywhere that you're not appreciated. The only person you're supposed to be in competition with, if you really want to be in competition, is yourself. Look at yourself and be like, oh, last year I did this and it wasn't good, so I'm going to run a competition with myself. Last year I didn't get good grades, so I'm going to push and make sure I get better grades. You get what I mean, guys? Like, don't ever stay somewhere. Always run competition with yourself. Don't try to run competition with someone else, because then you will never make it. Always try to push yourself and grow. And don't stay anywhere that you're not appreciated. Because at the end of the day, they will never appreciate you. Go somewhere that you will be appreciated. Go somewhere that you know you feel comfortable. Go somewhere that you know you can open up. And people appreciate you and take your ideas and appreciate what you say. So yeah, guys, that's the motivation for today. I'm going to say it one more time. Don't stay too long anywhere that you are not appreciated. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, I will see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you.